Explain splice in JavaScript. In JavaScript, the splice method is used to modify an array by adding, removing, or replacing elements. Unlike the slice method, which only extracts element without modifying the original array, splice changes the original array itself. Syntax of splice: array.splice in circle bracket start index comma delete count comma item 1 comma item 2 dot dot dot. Example complete. In the above example, start index says the index at which to start changing the array inclusive. If negative, it counts from the end of the array. Delete count: the number of elements to remove from the array starting at start index. If delete count is not specified, it removes all elements from start index to the end of the array. Item 1, comma, item 2, comma, dot, 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 optional. Items to add to the array starting at start index. If no items are specified, no elements are added. Each features modifies the original array, returns an array of the removed elements, or an empty array if no elements are removed. Can add new elements in place of removed elements. Can be used to both add and remove elements in one operation. Examples: first, removing elements. To remove element from an array, specify the starting index and how many elements to remove. Example: in this example, splice 1 comma 2 means start at index 1 and removes two elements which are banana and cherry. Starts at index 1 and removes two elements. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where 1 and 2 get removed. Adding elements. To add element without removing any comma, set delete count to 0 and provide the elements to add. Example: splice 2 comma 0 comma double quotation date comma elderberry double quotation complete adds date and elderberry starting at index 2 without removing any element. Here, this is what happened and the output says 0, 1, 2 के बाद में एलिमेंट प्रिंट्स होंगे 0, 1, डेट elderberry cherry. Hmm. Three, replacing elements. You can replace existing elements by specifying both delete count and new items to add. This is the example. Here, splice 1, comma 2, grape, comma kiwi removes two elements starting from index 1 and adds grape and kiwi in their place. 1, comma 2 means starting from index 1, remove and paste grape and kiwi. This is the given array apple, banana, cherry, right? Replace banana and cherry with grape and kiwi. This from 1 to grape and kiwi. Let replace fruit, that is new array is equal to fruit dot splice 1 comma 2 grape comma kiwi. Starting from index 1 and changing from replacing two values from grape and kiwi. This is the existing array apple, grape, kiwi, date. Console.log replace fruits. This is the output, new array of output banana cherry. Fourth, using negative indexes. Negative indices count from the end of the array. For example, -1 refers to the last element, comma, -2 refers to the second last element. This is the example. This is the output of a given array. This is the output of the new array. Here, splice -1 comma 1 starts at the last element and removes one element. Here, the given array has apple, banana, cherry, date. Removes the last element date. But how to remove? Let remove fruit, that is new array, is equal to fruits dot splice minus 1 comma 1. Here's what happened. Console dot log input existing array minus 1 starting index, that is date. This is the minus 1 comma 1 will get removed, and we will get this output of existing array and then new array, with the element which you have removed will get print in the removed fruit array. 5. Removing all elements starting from an index. If you want to remove all elements from a certain index to the end, you can omit the third argument. Example. mm, To remove all elements starting from an index, we should write the syntax fruit.splice in circle bracket 2 semicolon. Here, splice 2 removes all elements from index 2 to the end of the array. Means from 2 will get all removed. Apple, banana will get print and all this will element will get removed. Return value of splice. The splice method returns an array of the removed elements. If no elements were removed, it returns an empty array. This is the example. If no elements are removed, this will be the example. Summary. Splice is used for removing, adding or replacing elements in an array. It modifies the original array. It returns an array of the removed elements. You can use negative indices to refer to position from end of the array. Thanks for watching.